Guys and girls, it's Dave from Destination Off-Road, and today we're going to be doing another Rate My Gear. Now this knife was accompanied by the Seeker 4 Pro by Olight. It is an O-knife, and packaging will say O-knife on it. Now it's called the Rubato 3. Now it has a drop point which is designed pretty much for cutting, slicing or piercing and things like that. It is a very good EDC, so everyday carries. You get this beautiful little pouch. I don't know what it's made of. It's probably synthetic, but it feels like a little bit like a soft canvas. Now, what they do is so when I had the Fortitude knife, they had like a Velcro patch, which was awesome. This one here has a coin. So, just saying that it is a Rubato 3 O-knife's folding blade series. And so it's a nice little gift that you get with the knife. Now these are on sale for $97 at the moment. The green is sold out, but you can either get a gunmetal grey or a orange. How sharp is it? Now I've been using this for over 2 months, and I have had to clean the edge a few times with a butcher's rod, if that's what they're called. If it's not, let me know in the comments. But when you want to do this, so it still does it, but that's it. When you compare it to something else that's like pure hunting, like this buck, US buck. Now, different locking mechanism. It's a lot lighter than the Rubato, but this one is designed for hunting. Now, the actual alloy surround of the blade is a honeycomb texture, as you can see. Now, it looks like it's been powder coated or powder coated. So they've put a coating over the actual honeycomb to prevent wear and tear and a corrosion. Problem is, I've already got some wear and tear just there and across there, but that's just because I've had this in my pocket all the time. It does come with a deep pocket clip, and I haven't actually dropped or anything out of my pocket like my Gerber that I did SC. Now, my key feature that I love about this, and I think it's the love of the blades, but he was doing this flick because a couple of the other models have this flick here, but this bit here just requires your thumb, and you can do that. Problem is, you're going to pee off people because you're going to sit there and just do. Or you can just, and it's just awesome. It keeps me entertained sometimes, but I get in trouble. Overall, I'll give this Rubato 3, because it is a Rate My Gear, I'd say it's a 6. Now, I've rambled on, and they were all the pros. Now, the cons, there's not many. The mechanism worries me. I feel like over time it will wear out. There is two bearings in there, but the thing is, look, it's still wobbling, but that's what you get for a folding blade. Otherwise, the ergonomics of this handle and blade, it works really well. So you can sit there and you could carve up your catch, your hunt, or you can use it for just normal household sort of things. Survival equipment, no, but all purpose, yes. So I'm going to give this one a 6. Now, the con that I have seen, as I said, is this bit here, the actual see-through area. Now, if you have this in your pocket and you have lint, it's going to get caught in this mechanism. Now, I know it happened to me, and it didn't actually lock in, so I went to use it, and it came back out because I was doing this. I was opening a box, and yeah, it fell and almost cut my fingers. So just make sure, yeah, you check all the areas and things like that, and then go from there. So, if you like it, it's on sale, on the Merry Christmas sale online. You can either go to their website directly or you can go to my website. It is an affiliate partner of mine. So anytime you use my discount code, which is Destination 10, you get 10% off. Or you go through my channel, like you can go through my website, you'll find all the other brands as well that we use. Half of them, they're not sponsors and they're not affiliate programs. They are just products that I recommend and companies I love. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, smash the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. Subscribing or any sort of thing like that helps the channel, gets more views. YouTube might actually pick it up and run with it. I know reviews don't really get as much airtime as, say, a full driving trip, and yes, the full driving trip is coming up. We've just had setback after setback, and it's summer and we don't usually go camping or filming, but because we have so many rivers around here, we are going to be taking the kids out. Now when I say the kids, the human kids and Oscar puppy, he will be coming out all the time with us. So I hope you guys enjoy the adventures that we do. All right, make your own destination. Cheers.